Today is Mooncake Festival. Every family they will gather and celebrate the Mooncake Festival together, but not in my house. As usual, no one in my house. Once upon a time, in the ancient China, there are 10 suns on the sky. The crops and plants were dying. A guy named Hui, with his superhuman strength, he shot down 9 of the 10 suns. On hearing about his accomplishment, people far and wide came to him to learn from him. One named called Peng Ming. Later on, Hui met and married a kind and beautiful woman named Chang Er. They lived a happy life together. One day, as Hui was passing by Kunlun Mountain, he came upon Empress Wang Mun, the Queen of Heaven. She presented him with an elixir. The elixir will cause a person to immediately ascend to heaven and become immortal. One day, Hui took his disciples out hunting. Peng Ming did not join them. With sword in hand, he rushed over to Chang Er's quarter and forced her to give him the elixir. Knowing that she would not be able to fight him, Chang Er took out the elixir and drank it immediately. As soon as she drank it, she flew out the window, ascending towards the heavens. Chang Er, great love for her husband, drew her towards the nearest celestial body, the moon. Upon realizing what happened to his wife, Hui was grief-stricken. He shouted Chang Er's name to the skies. He was amazed to see a swaying shadow on the moon that was exactly like his wife. Hui took his wife's favorite foods and offered them up to her on the altar. Mooncake Festival is a celebration for Chinese, means to let everyone together eat together, share their joy, eat mooncake, and then look at the moon together for once a year. But sadly, my family could not make it this year because some of us are having their own job. Yes, I am studying at KL, but my family at Penang. Yeah, and I hope in the future we could have more interaction between the family on this occasional, and we hope to have time to go back for the Mooncake Festival. And I hope everyone have a happy Mooncake Festival.